In this video, I'll show you how to print in Microsoft Planner. Microsoft Planner is helpful for managing tasks, deadlines, assignments, buckets, and project progress. However, Planner does not always include a simple built-in print button for every view. So, the best way to print depends on what you want to print: the visual board, a task list, a schedule view, or a cleaner report. First, open Microsoft Planner from Microsoft 365 in your web browser. You can also open your plan inside Microsoft Teams, but for printing, the full Planner web version usually gives you more options. Next, select the plan you want to print. Before printing, organize the view so it shows the information you need. For example, you can group tasks by bucket, assign to, progress, due date, priority, or labels, depending on your planner layout. If you want to print the board view, make sure all important buckets and tasks are visible. Clear any filters that might hide tasks. You can also zoom out in your browser if the board is too wide. Now use your browser's print option. On Windows, press Ctrl plus P. On Mac, press Command plus P. You can also open the browser menu and select Print. When the print preview opens, check how the planner page looks. Because planner boards can be wide, some columns may not fit neatly on one page. To improve the result, change the layout to landscape, reduce the scale, or choose the option to fit more content on the page. If the print preview still does not look good, you can take screenshots instead. Capture the visible part of your planner board, scroll sideways if needed, and capture the remaining sections. Then paste the screenshots into Word, PowerPoint, or OneNote and print from there. For a cleaner report, export the plan to Excel. Open the Plan menu, choose Export Plan to Excel, and download the file. Then open it in Excel, adjust the columns, remove anything you do not need, and print the task list from there. If you want to print only certain tasks, use planner filters first. For example, filter by assigned person, due date, label, or progress, then print or export that filtered information. That's how to print in Microsoft Planner using browser print, screenshots, or Excel export. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.